Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So we can use about u equals to arcsinx of x. Later that we need to put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one you got to u. This one we have number 1 over the square root of 1 minus s squared. So the square root of arcsinx of x, that is about u, and the square root of dx over the square root of 1 minus s squared, that is about 2u du. So we have like this. So u and u square, u and u we got about u square. The integration of u square, that is about u to the power of 3 over number 3. About u, that is about this one. And this is the answer for the question. Now let's go to the next one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So we put u equals to the square root of arccosx of x. Later that we put the power number 2 for the both sides to cancel the square root. And this one we have negative number 1 over the square root of 1 minus s squared. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So the square root of arccosx of x we change for u. The next one we change for negative number 2 u du. So because u multiplied by u, we got u squared. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.